My name is Audrianna Rios, and I'm an art instructor at the Art Museum of South Texas. Today we're going to be drawing a quick and easy face out of the word face, inspired by the exhibit Eye to Eye that's currently on display here at the museum from the National Portrait Gallery. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, first thing you're going to do is grab a marker and a piece of paper, and you're going to write the word face. Give yourself a little space between each letter. They should all be lowercase. So from the bottom of the F to the bottom of the C, we're going to draw a curve. Draw a cute little mouth under the A. Let's make some eyelashes. Some eyebrows. Remember, it's just for fun. They're all going to come out different. Now, we're going to draw a little bit of hair. Down the neck. There you have it.